Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. If your Xbox app on PC isn't updating or is stuck on an update, here's how to fix it. First, restart the Xbox app. Close it completely by using Task Manager. To open Task Manager, use Ctrl Shift plus Escape. Then launch the app. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent updates. Restart your router or switch to wired connection for better stability. If the problem persists, reset the Xbox app. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find the Xbox app, select Advanced Options, and select Reset. This will clear the cache without removing your data. Also, ensure your Windows system is up to date. Opening Settings, go to Windows Update and install any pending updates. Missing updates can interfere with app functionality. Finally, reinstall the Xbox app. Uninstall it from Settings, Apps. Download the latest version from Microsoft Store and reinstall. Thank you for watching How to Web. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more fixes.